Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. Come on, Sammy, get up, get up. She always wants in. Anytime I start talking, she's up, down. She always wants to get her camera time in. My name is Mike Sullivan. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I'm an expert in IRS tax resolution. Yeah, I was the IRS, so whatever I tell you, I'm telling you not from the outside trying to get your business, but I'm trying to tell you what IRS does and doesn't do and give you inside information, certainly when I can, which is almost all the time. I have been doing this 51 years. I've been on all the major TV stations. If you want to know about me, just go to my website at 777irs.com. A lot of people will ask me after they get a levy and garnishment, how do you stop it to start with? So the question I'm answering today is, how do you stop an IRS levy? Well, the answer, believe it or not, is really simple. I used to issue levies. So I used to issue wage garnishments. This was me. This was my life for 10 years. Well, you stop by just following your IRS letters and calling them so they don't issue you the next letter to go ahead and levy. Understand this is all IRS's information that they send you is computer generated, systemic. There is not one person that touches those levies. There's not one person. They just go ahead systemically. The computer sends them out. They send you a CP14, CP501, CP503. When you get the CP504, by then you want to take action because IRS is letting you know it's hammer time next. So you've got to be prepared to call IRS. With that call, you're pretty much going to stop the levy either by asking for an extension or resolving your case right at that moment. How do you resolve that case at that minute? Well, if the case is at the service center, which most are, they're going to want a 433F financial statement. You can download it yourself. Just go to, it's a 2-page form, IRS financial statement 433F. You'll look at it. IRS is going to take that over the phone. Usually, they want your bank statements and your pay stub to verify, and some expenses to verify what's going on. With that, two things will happen. They will either put you into currently non-collectible based on your financial statement. That lasts for a couple years. It's like a tax hardship, or you're going to go in a payment program. Now, here's what you don't know, and here's the big secret about that, is that IRS has what's called a national standard, and I preach this all the time on all my videos over and over and over and over and over. IRS is not going to allow your expenses. They're going to allow their expenses that they use in 4 of the major categories: food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, and car expenses. So whatever you put in, theirs are going. And you know what happens? Many people wind up with a payment agreement. So just be careful if you're calling IRS. Look up those national standards yourself, and then you'll be good to go. If you need me, call me. I'm available. I answer my own phone. No one else picks up the calls at my office but me. I manage to do that. You're welcome to send me an email or a text. My contact information is somewhere up there. I don't exactly know where they keep it here, but it's here. Thank you so much for listening. Give me a subscription or whatever you can do to help me. Thank you so much.